Hi everyone, this is Robbie here from the Web Shack, and in this tutorial I'm going to run through how to create articles. We call them posts or blogs, you could say, for e-commerce builder. Okay, so I'm logged in, I've clicked on posts, and now we've got these. So if I click on all posts, this is my existing blog. So you can see there's just a whole lot of random things. And then here I can add a new post, and then I've got categories and tags. Okay, so let's run through these quickly. So I'm going to start off with categories. So this is, let me just, while I'm clicking on that, let me just go and show you a blog. Okay, so I've got, these are all my blog articles. If I click read more, it goes to the article in more detail. On the side here, I've got my categories, so I can filter through. All the blogs can be under all different categories. And then recent posts and so on. And then over here, obviously it's just a broken Instagram thing, but you can actually have tags here as well. Okay, so let's go back here and let me show you. So under categories, I'm under categories now. This is all the categories I have. I can add a new category. So let's say you're talking about fashion. Sorry, that's not how you spell fashion. Okay, fashion. Okay. Go. Oh, I already have fashion. Anyway, so that's pretty straightforward. I just go fashion. I can choose whether it's a parent of a certain one or just a straight category, and then I go add new category, and it'll pop up here. Okay, so that's how you add categories. Those categories generally come up over here. Okay, in another video we'll show you how to add categories into your sidebar, and we call that's the widgets tutorial. Okay, so let me go back here. So that's how you add categories. Tags. So tags is basically the same as categories, but more broad, you could say. So let's say I want to tag for red dresses. Okay, so maybe, okay, sorry, that's actually more specific. Okay, so categories are for more like, I'm looking for stuff, I'm looking to read stuff on creative. Tags might be, I want to be way more specific. If I see the tag red dresses, I want to read about red dresses, but it's quite specific. So these are basically filtering tools. Okay, so and you can have categories here, and you could have tags here. So tags could have a whole lot of stuff like red dresses, the weather, whatever it is. So it's just interests, you could say. Okay, so that you could filter with. Okay, so let's go under all posts. I'm just going to show you quickly. So I'm not going to go into detail with this. What you do is, if you want to edit an existing post, you click edit or quick edit. If I just want to add some tags or change the category and so on. Okay, and then if I go edit, I can edit my existing post. Okay, but now edit looks the same as now over here. I can add new post or add new post. So let me say add new post over here. So basically I'm creating a post that's going to pop up here. So when I click read more, now I've got a whole nice blog post that I've put together. Okay, so here's my blog post. Looks quite nice. You can put together your own post like that. Okay, so here we go. So perfect. So pretty straightforward. Test blog. So that's my post name. And then here's where I write my blog. Okay, sorry, actually the page is actually still loading. Okay, so test blog. Okay, so over here, this is the page builder. Okay, so you could, like, we have another tutorial under pages on how to do this in more detail, but briefly, let's just say I wanted to add a text thing here, and that's all I wanted actually, because normally blogs are actually just one big text thing. Okay, where I can add my text, put more paragraphs in, add some media. Okay, obviously I can upload files or add media, so just add the shoe. Okay, and then okay, sorry, just wait a bit for that shoe to come up. There we go. Okay, so let me just push enter. Cool, so there's my blog. I save. There's my write-up. Okay, I'll go down a bit. Over here I have categories, so this is all the different categories you can filter through. Here are my tags. Okay, so I can add tags over here. So just to say red dress. Okay, and then add as many tags as you want. Cool. You don't have to worry about those. Featured image. Okay, so basically featured image is quite important. That's the image that you see if you click on the blog page, because remember, these are individual blogs. These are all separate. Oh, no, sorry, not there. Sorry. if I go back one, that's the actual single blog that I chose. But obviously, these are all the different blogs that you have under your blog. So this is now the featured image. So you want to try to track someone to click on that blog. Okay, so I go here. I can set a featured image by clicking on it. Okay, let's say my featured image is this. Okay, cool. So that will go over here. Over there. Okay, there's my date and so on, which I'm busy posting for today. Okay, and that's it. That's basically it. And then you can take a look at these header options, page titles, what you want it to have on the top of the blog when you click on it. But in another tutorial under pages, I'll show you in more detail. We go through this. But I mean, it's self-explanatory. Disable the title on your blog page or not. Add an image to your title of your blog page and so on. Okay, so that's basically how you add blogs. Pretty straightforward. Once I've updated my blog, it goes under the posts, and then when I go in here, you'll see obviously if I click on the blog page, then you would see the full blog. Okay, and that's pretty straightforward. So that's basically how to use the post sections. Play around with it. It's a really good tool for marketing and SEO and so on. Okay, thanks very much for watching.